Hello everyone, it's Joshua here today with another video course titled Types of Stable Coins. Check this. Type of stable coins explained. In today's video course, you will learn what are the types of stable coins that are out there in the cryptocurrency space. The number of stable coins out there has exploded in recent years, as well as the quantity. Stablecoin, a cryptocurrency with extremely low volatility, sometimes used as a means of portfolio diversification. Example includes gold-backed cryptocurrency or fiat-pegged cryptocurrency. It's also possible to find a crypto asset that are pegged to other fiat currency such as the euro and even other crypto assets. Broadly speaking, there are four types of stable coins. We have the fiat collateralized stable coin like the USDT, which is the USD Tether. We have the USDC. We have the BUSB, which is the stable coin for Binance, and many others. Another type of stable coins are the commodity collateralized stable coins that are pegged to commodities such like gold. In a case like this on the crypto space, we have the Digit Global. Okay, is a stable coin, a commodity collateralized stable coin that is pegged to a gold token. We also have the crypto collateralized stable coin, such as the MakerDAO, the DAI token. Okay, DAI token is a crypto collateralized stable coin. Okay, and finally, we have the non-collateralized stable coins, which rely on the seigniorage shares system and algorithm mechanism to keep their pegged. So, broadly speaking, there are four types of stable coins. All right. It seems that the possibility are endless with this new technology. They are with the introduction to the world of blockchain, and now cryptocurrency awareness has increased, stable coins has also increased. There are quite a number of stable coins out there. Some stablecoin projects have tied their digital assets to precious metals or other cryptocurrencies. Projects such as Facebook, failed Libra, now Dime, intended to allow stablecoins to be used as a medium of exchange backed by a basket of different national currencies. Stablecoins are exceedingly easy to buy and are listed on most cryptocurrency exchange, including Binance and Coinbase. In short, they provide welcome liquidity and safe harbor for crypto investors and are an integral part of the digital asset space. These stablecoins allow crypto investors to bring in money into the crypto space seamlessly and easily because it is a stable coin that is pegged to one-on-one on the basis of its collateralized either token, non we've seen the four type of stable coins we have. Okay, while new stable coin focus on regulations are always rumored to be incoming, they are still tolerated by authorities worldwide due to their usually high compliance with financial legislative requirements. Stablecoins have almost certainly provided the inspiration and playbook for central bank digital currency (CBDC). An example is like the e-naira giant, also known as giant, as the Nigeria digital currency, which is issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So you see, Nigeria has their own stable coin, China has their stable coin, Ghana has their own stable coin, and who knows who else has their own stable coin. So there are a lot to learn from the cryptocurrency space. In the course of our future video course, we will discuss on why cryptocurrency are the future. Take note, guys, in our next video course, we will learn about why cryptocurrency are the future of our new economy. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video course, you know what to do, right? Please subscribe, like and share this video course. Hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, which is the bell icon by the subscribe button. When you do this, each time I upload a new video course, you will be the first to be notified. Like this video, share this video with your friends. When you like this video, it encourages me to put out more informative content video course like this. Share this video with a friend or your loved ones who are interested in learning about what is happening in the crypto space, how to trade for themselves, and how to make money from cryptocurrencies and other informative information online. So share it out, it's free. Okay? And please don't forget to subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching this video course to the end. I really appreciate your time. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon, alright, so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. My name is Joshua. You can contact me or join my Telegram channel for more crypto video lessons like this. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel. It's free. One of the reasons why you should subscribe to the Telegram channel is you get to see my day-to-day trade, Monday to Friday, how I enter the forex market or how I entered my trade, how I buy, how I sell, how I take profit, how I take losses, my signals. You can copy my trading signals for free and apply them to your own trading if you like. Okay? Also, you get to see my video courses in the past and my future video courses that I'm yet to upload. Once I drop them down on YouTube, you get to see them on this Telegram channel. And many other done for you and do it yourself render on the Telegram channel. So guys, please subscribe to the Telegram channel.
Investment is a security for the future. Visit www.bpclass.net and be taught how to invest wisely on the internet and make profit. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel.